Hello and welcome to another episode of latest update. The topic of discussion is massive wildfire in Pacific Palisades. A massive wildfire erupted in the Pacific Palisades, forced thousands to evacuate and threatened homes in the area. The fire, fueled by fierce Santa Ana winds, quickly spread across 3,000 acres of land. Tens of thousands of residents are under evacuation orders as winds continue to drive the flames with no injuries reported so far. Before moving forward, Drishti IAS is elated to announce new offline batches at its Noida Center for IAS GS Foundation course covering both prelims and mains. The admissions are open for English medium batch, while Hindi medium batch is starting from 16th of January. For more information, give us a call at 87501 87501. What are Santa Ana winds? Santa Ana winds, strong northeast winds originating from Southern California's desert interior, exacerbated the wildfire. These winds, which are dry, warm and fast, can increase fire risk by drying out vegetation and reducing humidity levels, making it easier for sparks to ignite large fires. Winds in this region can reach speeds of up to 160 km per hour, further escalating the wildfire danger. These winds dry out vegetation, reducing its moisture content and making it highly flammable. Sparks such as from fallen power lines can easily ignite these dry conditions, causing wildfires to spread rapidly. Mitigation and ongoing threats. As the winds intensify overnight, officials predict that the worst is yet to come, with gusts expected to wreak havoc for days. The Federal Emergency Management Agency has provided grants to help with firefighting costs and recovery efforts. With schools temporarily relocating students and evacuation zones growing, the situation remains dire. Now it's time for the practice question. What is the primary reason the Santa Ana winds increase wildfire risk? Increased moisture, low humidity, rainfall or high pressure? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.